How you doing, guys? This is Sam again, expert locksmith. Okay, we changed a Fobik ignition for this Dodge Charger 2009. We change it, we sync it to the vehicle. Just want to show you how to remove it. Basically, we remove the cover at the bottom. As you see, that's the cover at the bottom. Just a few screws, one screw here, one screw here at the bottom, and all clips comes out. Once it comes out, you have two screws, another two screws, one here and one at this side, somewhere here. I don't see it right now, but two screws here, two screws. Once you do that, it comes out, and all you have left is to program the ignition. All you have left is to program the new ignition. By the way, the ignition only 4 screws, 1 2 3 4, and then you remove it from the bottom. You put it out from the bottom, you put the new one, you sync it to the vehicle, and the car starts. Blinker on, but the car starts. Thank you again, Sam, expert locksmith. Fobik ignition replace on Charger 2009. Thank you, bye bye.